Mint is a soft-flavored herb that is widely used in cooking as a condiment in dessert recipes or main dishes. Moreover, it is also widely used to make teas. It is also widely used in medicine through mint oil, which has numerous health benefits. Do you want to know how to use peppermint oil? Check out 10 of its uses. Relieves pain that causes discomfort. Mint oil is recommended for leg massages because it helps to relieve fatigue, fluid retention, and discomfort caused by varicose veins. Do you remember those tiring days? Well, when you get home, put 10 drops of the product in a basin with hot water and relax. This will soften the discomfort and reduce the swelling in the feet. You can also use peppermint oil for headaches or migraines. In this case, apply the mint oil on the forehead and the temples, massaging gently to reduce the pain. Assists with breathing problems. Peppermint oil can dilate the airways, further helping in the passage of air, thus leading to oxygen in the lungs. Health problems such as bronchitis, hoarseness, flu, and colds are minimized. If this is your case, put a few drops on the vaporizer or apply it to the temples or through breast massages to get the benefits. Protects oral health. Do you know that little stink of bad breath you have? Mint can reduce bad breath, cavities, and toothaches in children. You can get these benefits by mixing a portion of peppermint oil with a little coconut oil and applying it to the gum or gargling. By mixing a portion of mint oil with coconut oil and applying it on the gums, it will reduce the discomfort. If you just want to have that refreshing taste in your mouth, put a drop of the oil on your tongue and take a glass of water afterward. Improves skin health and repels mosquitoes. Mint oil is a great natural repellent and also helps with some skin problems like acne, inflammation, eczema and eruptions, and sunburn. To feel better, simply apply the oil on the skin until it is completely absorbed. Activates hair growth. Did you know that it is possible to stimulate hair growth with mint? Thanks to its antiseptic properties, the mint induces capillary circulation, which results in stronger and faster growth of hair. Besides that, it also controls the excess of oiliness in the hair. Dilute 10 drops of mint oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or your favorite shampoo and apply it to the hair. Helps with digestion. Just as the mint infusion can help improve digestion, so does the oil. You can add up to 1 drop of mint oil to your tea if you have indigestion problems. Mint reduces swelling and is good for treating irritable bowel syndrome. As we can see, mint oil is a great ally to our health and can be used in several ways. But always remember, never apply the product directly to the hair or skin. Always dilute the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.